Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to verify your email address on Shein. Firstly, open Shein on your device. Then, in your bottom right corner, click Me tab and click the gear icon in your upper right corner. Here, find Manage My Account tab and click on Email. Here you need to have a verify button. You just need to click on it, and then a verification message will be sent to the email address you have provided, in which you must click the link. And then just press a verify button and it will automatically verify you, and then you can continue your shopping. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.